I think today's the day. Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, my brothers, my sisters, everyone out there. I think I am ready. I think I'm ready to turn on Lefty. I checked some of the wiring, moved some things around. Everything looks sweet. And I put the key forward and the fuel pump's on. So I think this is the vlog where we turn the car on. Keep going. Well, before I get all crazy, I got my quick release. So now I can install the steering wheel correctly. I got it with the carbon fiber and the matte black. Why? Small themes of carbon, a lot of themes of matte black. Incorporated that in with the quick release. So I'm going to install this. I can't wait to see the steering wheel before I actually start getting my hands all dirty, because I am going to essentially be working on the steering wheel, which is suede. So our problem is it's too close. So I'm going to install this guy right here and see how it looks. Ready to rock, boys. We are ready to rock. Quick release. Nice. That's going to go onto the short hub. So we take this guy out. We're going to install this first. You guys have done this plenty of times. I don't think you need me to show you how to do it. But I am putting some blue thread lock, like I said, on both sides. Onto the quick release and onto the steering wheel. Wherever these bolts are going to go, we are going to put thread lock on them. So I am going to set this up. And by the next clip, you guys will see the steering wheel on with the quick release. And from there, we got to put some fuel in it. We got to put some fuel, check for some leaks before actually turning it on, prime up the motor, and then hopefully, Jamie already emailed me a base map, so I'm going to put that base map in, and hopefully we fire it up. And we're done, boys. What do you think, man? Neochrome bolts in, Sparco Championship, all suede. Wow. It just fits so well. Oh, man. I love it, man. Let me take a peek from outside. There it is. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. How do you like the steering wheel combo? Look at that from right there, man. This is going to be awesome. I love it, man. Thank you so much, Tri-State. You guys are great, man. Tri-State Motorsports, man. Fast, quick, always in stock. Boy, that looks great. I went ahead and I just double checked all the fittings with a ratchet. So I've got my fuel funnel here, and I'm just gonna pour half of this in. So basically, essentially, whoever wins the car, this is how you fill the car up. So you're gonna have the fuel cell in the back. You don't have to open this up. You get what I'm saying. Pull to the pump. It's gonna be on the 85. Open the trunk, the glass, put the nozzle in, and just keep an eye out. You know what I mean? That's how it's. This is how you fill up the car. So I've got about 4.5 gallons in here. I'm just gonna pour this guy in and try not to make a mess, which is almost gonna be impossible. And that's it. So I just went and picked up some corn. And I just want to have enough to check for leaks. So fuel's in the car. I got my ECU plugged in. I tightened every fitting possible. Now I just want to just make sure that there's no leaks. So I'm going to open up the hood. Oh man, I can't turn this car on. I forgot the regulator's not plugged in. I have to plug the regulator in. I'll be right back. Jesus. Okay guys, that was almost a huge mistake. I forgot we didn't make the bracket yet for the regulator, so we took it off. Now I plugged up the regulator, threaded everything on. Let's see if we got some fuel. Okay. I've got fuel. Now I just need to see if I'm leaking anywhere. I'm just gonna look around and do that part. Yeah. Okay guys, now I just want to hear if it cranks. I looked all over for fuel, if there was any leaks. Thank God there's absolutely no fuel leaks. So let's hear if it cranks on. I've got fuel. It's not in gear. Oh, she wants to turn on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Come on. Man, I need someone to hold the gas. Somebody come help. Somebody help! Oh God, let me get in. Somebody help! Oh my God, we're there. So I noticed why I was cranking so weak, moving so fast. There's not grounds on the car. So I just put a ground onto the transmission. Wait, I don't want this guy to burn over here. You stay over here. Be nice. There was no grounds on the motor to the chassis. I put one ground on. Let's see if it fires up now. Cross your fingers, goddammit. Cross your fingers. All right, we got fuel. Here we go. That's it, guys. It's on. Finally, man. Wow. All this hard work. It's worked. It's all paid off. All right. So I didn't have any grounds on the car. So I just added one ground to the transmission. I'm definitely going to add 2 more grounds. Maybe in the front of the motor and on the valve cover to the chassis. So that's done. Now, I have to still wire in the relay for... Now, excuse this wiring mess. This will not look like this in a couple of days. I have to wire in that relay for the water pump because it's going to be on key on, but it will shut off when you don't turn on the car yet, so it doesn't actively stay on. So once you fire up the car, it'll turn on the electric water pump, and then when you shut off the car, you got the key forward, it's not all the way on. It will be the same as the fuel pump. So check it out on the fuel pump, right? So the way that the relays are set up on the fuel pump is you put the key forward, you'll hear the fuel pumps turn on, and then they'll shut off. But if you turn the car on, the fuel pumps turn right back in. Good. Now, it will be the same way for the water pump. And when the car is on, both the water pump and fuel pump obviously will turn on. But you know what, guys? I need a minute, man, because all this hard work has paid off. I need a minute. Oh, man. All right, guys. I won't bore you with the details here. I've got some cleaning up to do. I got a big mess here. Wow. We turned on lefty, man. I put it in gear and to see the back tire like turn. That was so crazy. But yeah, man. We are chipping away. We've got a lot of work left to do. Everything is coming out beautiful. My boy. I am so happy, man. I am so happy. I've got a lot of wiring to finish up on this end, but I really want to thank all you guys for keeping up with this build. I really appreciate all the suggestions that you guys gave. I appreciate all the positive comments. I appreciate the thumbs up. Please, man, smash that thumb button up for me, man. It means a lot. It does something on YouTube to where I can get more subscribers. Like the algorithm changes when they see that a video is getting a lot of likes and they get to share it around. Hopefully we reach 100,000 subscribers this year, man. I bust my tail every day for it. I try to influence people as much as I can to move into a positive manner, but at the same time, don't cower from anyone. But yeah, I love you guys, man. I mean, I'm in awe right now, man. I'm just gonna wrap up this video, clean up, listen to some music, and chill, man. But yeah, keep gunning.